Hello there, my name is Katrina Young. Now in this training I want to be sharing with you some of the things that you can do to build a framework for understanding, analysing and utilising some of the data and metrics in your business and building those data systems to be aligned with your sales systems. I'll see you on the other side.
And why is this important? So one of the things that I'm an advocate for is businesses and SMEs and really leveraging their exposure, their visibility, and ultimately their sales with advertising. And we use that as the word traffic. So we use that in that context. And now most people just have no idea where to start. They are either outsourcing and hiring and therefore not setting any kind of KPI or objectives in alignment with their objectives. So again, some people are not even setting objectives. I guess the main objective may be conversions into a sale. It may be traffic. It may be lead generation. It could just be it's brand awareness. However, you want to set yourself some KPIs. And one of the ways to really underpin your KPIs, so making sure that you have a valid premise for your adverts, is aligning this with the data that you already have. So many people do not utilize the data from their advertising campaigns and their business. And therefore, they're almost chucking money into the wind. And therefore, they're not empowering their ad campaigns. And quite often, they are blaming account managers, blaming outsourcers. And I know you have to outsource your weakness. I'm an advocate of this. But you do want to know or be able to give them clear guidelines for how you want that to be met. And that can empower you. For instance, if you are not looking at your data or metrics, you're not understanding and you'll be a little bit off with your targeting. Now, when I have been working with some business owners, I ran a few workshops. And what we found was that a business owner had a ton of hits based on their topic. So number one, are you using the right language and copy based on your data and metrics? Is it indicating that people are watching your content or engaging with your content from a particular region? So do you require translations? Now, are you using any kind of symbolism or are you using any colors that may offend anyone within that region, even though haphazardly that may happen and they're not in your targeting? Perhaps you are not setting any targeting prerequisites within your campaign building. So we want to build data-driven campaigns. And what can this look like? This can look like understanding the audience. So there may be an indication of this. If you are looking at your analytics dashboard and it's telling you that people are using this particular handset, then you want to make sure that you convert in and you're not using poor quality images, because it means that most people are using off of a particular handset and therefore you want to optimize for mobile. If your data and metrics are indicating that you've got a certain indication or usership of a certain age, then you want to make sure that you're using the relevant language, the relevant topics, and that you're adequately pitching your content where they are. Again, is your analytics and metrics indicating that you're putting on masterclasses or podcast shows or trainings at a particular time, and your audience are actually having to access that content at a different time and therefore not able to join your content live? So there are lots of indications around our data and our metrics of product development, how we can better our services, how we can improve the customer journey. And what we don't want to do is leave this powerful data redundant just on the dashboards, and actually ultimately wasting money in maybe service development or trying to find out through research when that pertinent and valuable information is just there. My name is Katrina Young, and as I said, I'm a geek for digital. I love to help people to build profitable systems by ultimately aggregating the power of their data. So if you have any questions about this particular topic, I'd be happy to help. Do put that below and do let me know if you would require any further support for this area for your business. I'll see you on the other side. Hey, thanks for watching. Now remember, on this channel, I share all tips, tech, marketing, business, sales funnels, lifestyle, everything to help you to start, grow and scale your business. Thanks for your time. And again, if you would like any topics, do not hesitate to contact me below. Thanks again.